In today's activity, we will be showing multiples of 10. We'll be drawing rectangles on graph paper, demonstrating area, and writing multiplication facts of 10 shown with these rectangles. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to start with graph paper. And on the graph paper, the first thing you're going to do is draw a rectangle exactly like this, where it has a height of 1 showing there in the red, 1 square high, and then it's going to be 10 on the top and the bottom. And this illustrates the multiplication fact of 1 by 10, where in this case is 1 times 10 equals 10. It's also to say the same as saying it's the same as a 10 by 1 rectangle, which means 10 times 1 also equals 10. So you're going to write this on your graph paper. And remember, the number of squares inside is 10. The area of this rectangle is 10. There are 10 squares inside the rectangle there. It has an area of 10. Okay, that's the first one. You're going to do a similar thing on the next. So again, graph paper, drawing a rectangle now, a little bit bigger. You can see now that I have 2, which means that has a height of 2. Still, there's the 10. So the top and the bottom are still 10. And this is a 2 by 10 rectangle showing our multiplication fact of 2 times 10. You're going to write 2 times 10 equals 20. But remember, it's the same as showing that 10 times 2 equals 20. So you're going to write in numbers and the words. And remember, how many squares are inside here? There are 20 squares. The area of this rectangle is 20. There are 20 squares inside the rectangle. And you're going to continue. Now, it's going to get even bigger. Now you can see that instead of 2 high, we now have 3. Our rectangle is growing. So I'm going to draw this one. And you can see the height is 3. But again, the top and the bottom are still 10. Again, that shows us our multiplication fact. 3 times 10 equals 30. But we can also switch that and look at a 10 by 3. 10 times 3 also equals 30. And how many squares are in the rectangle? We just said it. There are 30 squares inside, so the area of this rectangle is 30. So you were going to do this on graph paper for the following. So here are your instructions. On graph paper, do all of the following as we are showing in the examples. So you're going to do 1 times 10, 2 times 10, and 3 times 10. Remember, copy these exactly as shown on your graph paper. We've already done these for you. After you've completed those, you're going to do a 4 times 10, a 5 times 10, and a 6 times 10. Keep going. A 7 times 10, an 8 times 10, and a 9 times 10. And 3 more, you're going to finish it up with a 10 times 10, an 11 times 10, and a 12 times 10. So you're going to do all of what we've shown for all of those. Remember, part 2, use a ruler and a pencil. And most importantly, no pen, pencil only, please, and Make it look nice. Make it pretty. Make it look good. All right, those are your instructions. That's what I want you to do. Let's go get started right now.